All right, y'all, we're here at Home Depot, and we're gonna be looking for some vent line for the black foiler. If this video reaches 100 likes, I'll put on a snorkel that's this long. I know definitely later on I want to do a real snorkel. Right now we have like a vacuum hose, but I'm not about to waste my time and do all that the day before Mudbugs. So right now, just gonna get some vent line, or whatever it is, and we're gonna use what we have. I do not see it anywhere, bro. I think it's on the other side. Ta-da! Oh, hell no. Alright, so we found it. But, like, there's something in my head saying, like, you need to buy the pipe to do, like, a real snorkel. But I don't feel like wasting the money. The one that I have actually seals somehow. So, gosh, dang, it's bright in this aisle. But, that's just gonna work. My one-way valve is broken, so that's why I used to shut off in those old videos, but I think if I just slap a vent line on there, it should be fine. So I'm selling my frame up for $420 in a couple hours, so that's gonna be a lot of money, because he's probably gonna buy other stuff too. We'll see though. Oh, Unc is sliding. Unc sliding. I'm just playing, I ain't fucking sliding. We got Sebastian's house. I got my trailer hooked up. 500's over there. The world's largest trailer.
It is. I don't even need a backup camera. I just pick up the trailer to my truck.
We're in Sebastian's car right now, or Eli's mom's car. We got oil for our bikes. And we headed back to the crib. We're gonna I'm gonna put my seat on, run vent lines. He doesn't have anything to do with his bike, I'm thinking. Put oil on my bike, and we'll be ready for tomorrow. I'm excited. Hopefully it's gonna be fun, and yeah.
Add on YouTube.
All right, y'all. So right now we're running vent lines.
Good.
What you got going on?
It's just the same way you ran the other one.
Okay, oh yeah, okay. Like, no, yeah, right. Alright. So we're running vent lines right now. I don't even know what we have to, I don't even know what we have run and I have to run. I have to run carburetor, I know we have to run fuel tank, and I know we have to run diffs. Pretty sure that's it. Alright, sorry for the bad light and stuff. I have to use my 0.5 camera. Towing 2 bikes. We got the new seat on the 500. Ran the vent lines for the carburetor, that's about it. I mean, there's other vent lines to run, but we really don't have time, or we have time, we really just don't have to care for it. I think it's gonna be fine. Tightened up everything for the carburetor, so it should run underwater. I don't think I'm gonna try to test that tomorrow though. Rather have a running bike the whole day. I have to tow Sebastian's dad's 1K from the other video. They put some assassinators on it, 29.5. Here's a 29.5 versus a 35. Big difference. And then Sebastian's bike right here is 550. Tore the stickers off for 550 and put arched A arms, which looks pretty good. And then over here, Jeep's leaning a little bit. Fucking country, dude. Anyways, so his dad's gonna be towing a side by side. So yeah, I got the weakest vehicle out of all of these, probably, and I'm towing the most, but who really cares? Carter's gonna be here soon with his 300, and yeah, I'll pick you guys back up in the morning. All right, y'all, it's the next morning. We got Sebastian's dad's truck that's side by side, and then got the Jeep on. Oh my gosh, it's so muddy. We got the Jeep with Sebastian's dad's high lifter and my bike. Oh my gosh, it is so muddy. Anyways, just woke up. Sebastian's 550. Carter's 300. And Sean's 420. And Carter. Alright, y'all, we're here. We just filled up the high lifter and my bike. Sean's progressively filling his stuff up. Sebastian, his dad, Carter, And we're heading out to Mudbugs right now. We got Sydney right here.
Okay, why are you getting so close?
Yeah. Is it running?
I just made it through that shit, bro. I'll be walking all them fucking $15,000 Can-Ams. $1,000 Honda 300. Walk.
Carter's bike being a piece of shit. The clutches are gone. John's bike's doing pretty well. Some Can-Ams right here. Sydney's looking cute on a 500. I just put freaking straps on to hold the fenders up because they keep rubbing. I forgot my GoPro at home, so I'm not able to film. Not guarded. Oh no! Oh shit! Oh, Mr. Nick just cooked them.